In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share just one slide from your Google Slides presentation. This is a valuable tip for teachers looking to streamline their presentations. Sharing a single slide can be useful when you want to focus your audience's attention on a specific piece of content without distractions. Whether you're conducting a class, a meeting, or a workshop, this simple trick can enhance the clarity of your communication. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, log into your Google account. Don't worry if you don't have one yet. Creating a Google account is straightforward, free, and gives you access to many useful Google applications. Once signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can start a new presentation by selecting a blank presentation or choosing a template if you want a specific layout or design. Templates are especially handy if you're short on time but want your slides to look professional. After opening your presentation, navigate to the slide you want to share. Google Slides automatically saves your progress, so you won't lose any work if the browser is closed accidentally. Next, click on Slideshow at the top of the screen. This allows you to view your presentation in full screen mode, perfect for presenting or reviewing slides in their final form. Once in Slideshow mode, click on Presenter View. This view gives you additional tools such as seeing upcoming slides and any notes you've added for yourself. Now comes the part where you want to focus on only one slide. Unfortunately, Google Slides doesn't have a built-in feature to share a single slide as a standalone document. However, a simple workaround is to click on the desired slide, take a screenshot of it, and then share the screenshot with your audience. This method may seem unorthodox, but it's effective for keeping attention on a single piece of information. By using this approach, your audience stays focused on exactly what you want them to see. Next time you prepare to share your lesson or presentation, try this tip. It can make a big difference in communicating your ideas clearly. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks to make your teaching experience even better. Happy presenting!